Hello friends and welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel. We are together again with another pre-sale video. This time we will talk about the DeFi project. But first you must have a Bybit account and you can sign up with the link you can find below this video to receive discounts on your transaction fees. And before we start, please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel and turned on the notification to not miss out on new videos. Also you can follow our other social media accounts such as our Twitter and Telegram channels to not miss out on the latest news and updates related to the crypto world. Now buckle up and let's get started. Bybit Launch is well famous for its profitable pre-sale events such as Real, Casta, and CBX tokens. And this time, DeFi project will be on sale within 3 days. DeFi is a play and earn NFT blockchain mobile game and is immersing players in a metaverse that bridges the virtual and physical worlds. DeFi fuses hyper-casual code-breaking gameplay with real-world exploration and augmented reality adventures. And soon we will have a project review for it as well. Now let's continue how to participate in this Launchpad event. First thing, you have to have a Bybit account with completed KYC verification. Keep in mind that only verified users can participate in this pre-sale. You can complete your KYC verification from the security option in your profile. The second thing, you can participate in two different ways. You can buy a minimum of 50 BIT tokens from the spot market or stake 100 USDT coins. But in your case, you should deposit a minimum of 200 or even 250 USDT to meet a 4 days average. This lottery is based on your 4 days wallet average, and since there are only 2 days left, you have to have more than $100. BIT token holders will share the pool of 12,600,000 DeFi tokens. And keep in mind that if you purchase more than 50 BIT tokens, you will receive more rewards from this pool. Cap per subscriber can be maximum of 18,750 DeFi tokens. Meanwhile, if you stake USDT and participate in the lottery, allocation per winner will be 450 DeFi tokens, and the total allocation will be 5,400,000 DeFi tokens. You can deposit your USDT coins from another exchange or wallet, or purchase USDT with your bank or credit card. And all you have to do is to hold your BIT tokens or USDT coins in your spot wallet until the subscription period is over. And you can see your daily current balance from here. Also, you can click on this calculator button to calculate how much more USDT you need to participate in this lottery. Once the snapshot period is over, the subscription period will start. And as I said earlier, you need to complete at least level 1 KYC verification to participate in this event. Sub accounts are not qualified for this event, and you can only participate with your main account. And you will not be able to withdraw your tokens until the final distribution is over. And make sure that you keep your coins in your spot wallet until the end of the distribution period. The subscription period will end on August 15 at 10:59 AM UTC, and the distribution period will end 1 hour after the same day. If you are amongst the lucky winners, you will be able to sell your DeFi tokens on the spot market exactly 1 minute after you receive them. And if you won't win, you will receive your staked USDT or BIT tokens back. Good luck folks, don't forget to drop a like under this video and subscribe to our channel. To not miss out on the latest events, turn on the notifications and follow our other social media accounts. Thank you for watching and take care until next time.